Hello everybody. We are in the car. Well, we're here. We're at Disneyland.
Express lane, baby!
So, I talked about in my... Milo's upset. We're almost there, buddy. I talked about in my last vlog, I'll link it up in the corner, how we go early. We get up and we go. That didn't happen today. Milo woke up at 3 and we would have to like wake up between like 5 and 6 and I was like, I cannot. So we were gonna skip our reservation, but then I woke up and I was like, hey, what if we left at his first nap, have our second nap in the stroller, and then still be home for bedtime? And so we're trying that, but the issue is he did not nap on the way. So RIP to us all. I don't know, we'll see how the rest of the day goes, but oh, there's about to be a major lighting change.
5, 6, 7, 8.
I don't know, we're here, it's too late to, you know, turn back, so we're gonna try it out.
And we're gonna have the best day ever.
I like the attitude, but I am excited to be here.
It's May the 4th.
It is May the 4th, which that may just be the worst idea for us to come on this day. Last time we came here, we went to California Adventure, so it's been a moment since we've been to like proper Disneyland, which, as I always say, is much better if you have a baby. So yeah, Milo's back there upset. He wants out of the car. But yeah, what's our plan of action? There's some lunch first.
I'm hungry.
We're always hungry, so we're gonna eat. And then, you know, ride all of Milo's favorite rides. I'm already being terrible at vlogging. But we had lunch, I forgot to show that, but we had our usual at Tomorrowland, that's not what it's called, Pizza Port Planet, whatever the hell it's called. Our son is starting to melt down, as we said. We're gonna find a bench for feeding. We're gonna ride Pooh. Got some beignets at Jazz Kitchen. We were gonna get the cookies and cream ones, but Bradley chickened out. Here's some baby feeds to make your day.
You don't mess with perfection.
But we got some normal beignets. Oh yeah. 2 things you should know about Bradley is, number 1, the amount of Krispy Kremes he can eat in under a minute is wild, and the amount of beignets. And he'll show you the proper beignet stance. You open your legs. Yeah. Oh my God. Our son is just like, what are you doing? Bradley's in his happy place.
Here's where it's at, man.
Also, because his number 1 Disneyland tip is don't get the beignets inside the park. You have to come to the little Jazz Kitchen place right next to, does it have like a separate name? Express, Jazz Kitchen Express. You go right there. Those are the beignets. They are incredible. I can vouch for that.
Come here for beignets. This is 3,000 calories alone.
We're in the new Merlin shop and there's such cute detail. It looks really good. It used to be a Christmas shop, but they moved it to Main Street and it looks really good in there too. Oh, there's the Alice ears. My very first Mother's Day, and I came down to this. Got a handmade card. I won't show what you wrote, but Milo wrote me a little note. So sweet. I've also got coupons for a solo trip to Target.
You said you wanted that today.
I really do. And a 5-minute massage.
No more than 5.
And then these beautiful flowers. And also, I told him I wanted French toast, so he went and got brioche from Trader Joe's, and that's part of my gift as well. Milo wanted to extra celebrate today, and he woke us up at 5:45. But Bradley's mastered French toast over the last, oh my God. Like, look at that. Yeah, we usually don't use brioche, but this literally looks incredible. I feel the need to remind you it is Mother's Day. Cheer 'em up, Lou. Good morning. Whew. So I told Bradley that for my first Mother's Day, I mostly just wanted to chill, which everybody wanted us to go somewhere today, and you know, I just like, I just want to chill. I told him my ideal day, I want a garden, I want a cheeseburger, and I would love a solo Target trip. But in preparation for gardening today, we went to Lowe's the other day. My mom helped us with, well, I'll show you. When we moved in, we ended up gutting the plants that were right here outside of our dining room. Just haven't done anything since. And we tried some different flowers in the last vlog we were planting, and they died literally 2 days later. And so I showed my mom the area, told her about the sun and what we kind of wanted, and she suggested geranium, which are these red ones. I did get a pink one too, just because it was so pretty. So we're gardening mostly flowers today. I do want to try and move and trim back my tulips. Looked up how to do that. We also got a butterfly plant. We got this beautiful thing. I have some parsley, and then I got a pepper plant and another squash plant over there. I could plant up some of my seedlings, so I just wanted a lovely day in the garden. It is such a nice day. We've had like 2 really hot days, and then today was the first day it's cooling down. What is happening? I have like a zit under my eye. Ooh, my husband is not awake. As I said, Milo woke us up at 5:45, so that made nap time 8:30. So it's very early, but we're gonna garden while he's napping, and yeah, just gonna enjoy ourselves. I'm excited about all the I hope that these flowers work out, but they do have them around our neighborhood, so I think they will. They grow tall, they can grow bushy, so you can kind of trim them how you want them, and they are perennials, so they regrow their flowers every year, which is awesome. So hopefully that works out. I also got 2 of my favorite. I love Gerber daisies. Oh my gosh, it's like a 2-headed Gerber daisy. Yellow, and then these really pretty orange ones. Probably put those in a pot. Hello friends, it's later. I showered and got dressed, basically just to go to In-N-Out and take some cute pics. Strawberry shake. Bradley and Milo are playing Mario Golf.
Something is wrong with our Switch. I don't get it.
I know, our controllers have stopped working. I don't know why. Yeah, we just worked. Milo took a 2.5-hour nap, which was very gracious of him. So we just worked in the yard until he woke up. I don't think I ever gave an update, but in my last garden vlog, I think I showed you, or I told you about the cat next door that torments Ludo. Well, that freaking cat, this I had over in the herb garden on the side of the house. We caught the cat eating it, and it ate like a lot of my seedlings. So this is all that survived. And so this morning I planted more seeds because that cat ate them all. Yeah, I planted everything I could so far. Look at this beefsteak tomato I got going. There's a few in there. I'm very excited. But yeah, everything's looking good. I still have more work to do, but I cut off all the tops of my daffodils and tulips, and then we moved some around. We like took them out. Look at that, that's so cool. Also, Bradley cut back all the lavender and he handed me this like a bouquet. So I'm gonna go put this in a vase, and my Mother's Day flowers too. Hi guys, it is a few days later now. I was gonna like upload this vlog, but then I was like, I think I only vlogged Disneyland and Mother's Day and I don't have that much footage, so we're gonna vlog another day. It's not that exciting of a day, it's just stuff around the house. Milo is currently napping. I need to do my laundry, Milo's laundry. I'm about to go into the guest room and organize a little bit. I got some more bins for keeping his clothes that no longer fit him, so I just have like piles of stuff in there I need to go through. I need to edit. I haven't, that needs water so bad. Apparently I need to water some plants. I didn't vlog at all the last couple of days because I'm trying so hard not to apologize for the mess that is behind me on both sides, but I didn't vlog the last couple of days because all I've been doing in my free time is gardening, because we bought a lot of things, and also the first few days of this week were really nice and like breezy, and it's about to get really hot. And so I wanted things to be in the ground for the heat, just because like tomatoes and things, strawberries like the heat, so they'll do well. And B, I don't want to garden in the heat, so I was kind of like on a time crunch of like, let's get everything in the ground, seeds, plants, all that stuff. So that's what I've been doing the last couple of days. Literally yesterday I accidentally gardened for 3 hours, and I came back in and I was like, oh my god. I started during Milo's nap time, and then Milo and Bradley, when he woke up, came out and sat on a blanket with me while I was gardening. It was really lovely and nice, but I just like, I got carried away. I got so much done. In the end of this vlog, I feel like also like I'm showing so much gardening, and I don't know if you guys care. But in the end, I'll just give you a quick synopsis and look at the gardening that I've done, just so you can like see a pre-garden tour before everything grows in, if everything grows in. But yeah, I'm just gonna be getting stuff done around the house pretty much. Get my cute scrunchie in, so let's do it.
Leave the camera, Milo.
You do laundry in peace.
Jesus.
Milo.
You're ruining the shot, Milo.
Can you stop moving the tripod, please? Milo. Milo.
He didn't like your shot. He wanted to change it.
Hello. Hi, this is Milo's secretary, Mrs. Mom. Yeah, let me see if he's in. Do you want to talk to them? Do you want to talk to them? Yeah, here. Oh, my baby. Good job, yeah. Can you come to mommy for a kiss? Thank you. Hello? Yeah, he's right here. You want to talk to them? Okay. It's for you. Oh, he can't come to the phone right now. Okay, I'll have him call you back. All right, bye-bye. Okay, it's off. Okay, so here's just a quick synopsis, pretty much, of everything that we planted that's growing in our garden beds, in case you want to follow along as to what is successful. So over here, We have 2 cucumber plants. I need something for it to climb on. I'm gonna go look online for ideas right now. Zucchini, butternut squash, and then pumpkin seeds in there. Oh, my camera's dying, we gotta go quick. On this side of this bed, we have 6 or 5 tomato plants. This beefsteak tomato plant is so happy. I have so many growing, juicy tomatoes. Can't wait. I do need to trim that though. And then on this side, we have peppers. We have red snacking peppers, red bell peppers, orange bell peppers, purple bell peppers. I'm excited about that. The 2 plants I cut back from, I've had that plant for years. And then this plant I cut back recently. They're not doing so great, so we'll see how that goes. I need another pepper plant for back there. Okay, well, my camera really did die. I don't know where it cut me off, but I was saying I need another pepper plant for back there. But then this bed is a mishmash of things. I planted some watermelon seeds in here, so hopefully those sprout. We have 2 strawberry bushes, plants. I've never grown strawberries in the ground, so hopefully that works out. I'm really excited. I do already have a strawberry. Oh, I thought I did. Oh no, right here. So cute. Then you saw in a couple vlogs back, I planted corn. I planted 15 of them. Most of them have died. I have 5.5 left. I don't know if that one's gonna survive. And then on the side, I just planted more pumpkins. Thought they could grow out over that thing. I also started some more pumpkin seeds to try and grow on the hill again, but it didn't work out for us last year. But yeah, that's what's gonna be, hopefully, growing bountiful amounts in our garden beds this year. All right, mommy made dinner tonight, and I was a mess in the kitchen and frantic because I didn't start with enough time. But I pulled it together and we made, I can link it down below. It's on Food Network. It's a Jada recipe. They serve this in her Vegas restaurant and we were obsessed with it. And then we saw it I saw it in an episode and I was like, Bradley, she taught us how to make it. It's did I already say what it is?
No.
It's veggie bolognese. So this is perfect. It uses like a bell pepper, mushrooms, onion, carrots. Don't mind my fussing son. So it's perfect for like your veggies are turning and about to go bad. And it just is so good. So I'll link that down below. We got Ludi ready to catch any food that drops. My handsome husband.
I'm here.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat up and then it's bedtime routine.